What's up, guys? What's going on? We got another video for you today. We're going to be talking about what is Uniswap, Unicoin. Let's get into it. This is a beginner's guide. I'll try to break it down and explain real simple. Here we go. If you're new to the cryptocurrency world, you might have heard about Bitcoin, Ethereum, but there's a whole ecosystem beyond that called decentralized finance, or DeFi. At the heart of DeFi is Uniswap, a popular platform that lets people trade digital assets without needing a traditional bank or an exchange. And tied to Uniswap is its own token called Uni. We're going to break it down what Uni is, and what Unicoin does, and why it matters. All in simple terms. Think of it as your friendly intro to this exciting part of crypto. First, let's start with the basics. What is Uniswap? Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, or DEX for short. Unlike centralized exchanges like Coinbase, where company controls everything, Uniswap runs on Ethereum blockchain using smart contracts. These are like automated programs that handle trades without any middlemen. Launched in November 2018 by developer Hayden Adams, Uniswap was inspired by ideas from Ethereum's founder Vitalik Buterin. It quickly became popular because it lets anyone swap tokens easily and securely. How does Uniswap work? Traditional exchanges use an order book where buyers and sellers list their prices. Uniswap flips this with something called an automated market maker. Here's the simple version. Instead of matching buyers and sellers directly, Uniswap uses liquidity pools. These are big pots of tokens funded by everyday users called liquidity providers. For example, imagine a pool with Ethereum, ETH, and a stablecoin like USDC. Providers deposit equal values of both tokens into the pool. When you want to trade, say, ETH for USDC, the smart contract uses a math formula called the constant product formula, where, let's see here, X times Y, I think it's times Y equals K, where X and Y are the same amount of tokens, of the two tokens, and K stays the same. Okay. If you take out some ETH, the pool automatically adjusts the price by adding more USDC to keep K constant. This makes trades instant and available 24/7 with no waiting for a match. Liquidity providers earn fees for their trouble, usually 0.3% per trade, split among them based on their share of the pool. But there's a catch, something called impermanent loss, where the value of your deposited tokens might change due to price swings. Still, it's a way for regular people to earn passive income in crypto. Uniswap has evolved over time. Version 1 started with basic Ethereum pairs. Version 2 added any token to token swaps. Version 3 brought concentrated liquidity, letting providers focus on specific price ranges for better efficiency. And now version 4 is in the works, promising even more customization with hooks for advanced features. Today, Uniswap handles billions in trades weekly and works on multiple blockchains like Polygon and Arbitron to reduce fees. Now on to the star of the show. What is Unicoin? Uni is the native token of Uniswap. Launched in September 2020, it's an ERC20 token, meaning it follows Ethereum standards and can be stored in wallets like MetaMask. The total supply is 1 billion Uni tokens, released over 4 years, after which there's a 2% annual inflation to encourage ongoing participation. Uni's main job is governance. This means Uni holders get to vote on how Uniswap runs. Want to change fees, add a new feature, or fund community projects? If you hold Uni, you can propose ideas or vote on others through a governance portal at gov.uniswap.org. To propose something, you need at least 1% of the total Uni supply. That's a lot. That is a lot, about 10 million tokens, but anyone with Uni can vote. You can even delegate your votes to someone else if you're not into the details. This setup makes Uniswap truly community owned. No single company calls the shots. It's the holders who decide. For example, votes have approved grants from the community's treasury, which holds 43% of the tokens for the things like developer support and liquidity mining programs. Liquidity mining is where you provide liquidity and earn extra Uni as a reward. The programs come and go based on votes. How was Uni distributed? It was fair and exciting. At launch, 60% went to the community, including a famous airdrop. Anyone who used Uniswap before September 1st, 2020, got 400 Uni for free, even if their trades failed. That was worth about $1,400 at the time, and some people made thousands as the price rose. Another 21.26% went to teams and employees. 18.04% went to investors, and 0.69% to advisors, all vesting over 4 years to prevent price dumps. This community focus helped Uniswap stand out in DeFi. For beginners, why care about Uni? Holding Uni gives you a say in a massive platform that processes over $2 trillion in trades. It's like owning stock in a company but decentralized. Plus, Uni can be traded like any crypto, so its price fluctuates based on demand. Uniswap's success and market trends as of now, with over 600 million in circulation, it's a top DeFi token. Getting started with Uni is straightforward. First, get a wallet like Uniswap Wallet app or MetaMask. Then buy Uni on Uniswap itself. Connect your wallet to app.uniswap.org. Select Uniswap from ETH or another token. Watch for gas fees, which are Ethereum's transaction costs. You can also buy on central exchanges, but remember, Uniswap is about decentralization. Of course, of course, there are risks. Crypto is volatile, so Uni's price can drop. Smart contracts might have bugs, though Uniswap has been audited multiple times. And as a beginner, always do your research. Don't invest more than you can afford to lose. In conclusion, Uniswap and its Uni token represent the future of finance, open, accessible, and controlled by users. From simple swaps to governing a multi-billion-dollar protocol, Uni empowers beginners to join the DeFi revolution. Whether you're trading tokens or voting on proposals, it's a gateway to the world without banks. As crypto grows, Uniswap's innovations keep it at the forefront, making Uni more than just a coin. It's a piece of decentralized power. If you're curious, start small, learn as you go, and who knows, you might become part of the next big gloat. Alright, so that's Uniswap, guys. Hopefully you guys learned a lot about Uniswap and DeFi, and man, I think I learned a few things on this one. So yeah, let me know what you guys think down in the comments section. Are you an investor in Uniswap? Excuse me. I'm tired. Do you hold Uni tokens? Are you maybe interested? Or do you have anything to add to the video? Let me know in the comments section. I'd really appreciate it, guys. Always love to hear or read your comments. And yeah, check out my affiliate links, guys. We got the banner rotating at the top there, telling you about all the deals. Link is down in the description, guys. The simple.bio link, guys. Go check it out. If you click the simple.bio link, it'll take you to all the links, all my affiliate links, where you can get free crypto on deposit at the exchanges. Deposit at Coinbase, $20, get $30. Deposit at Uphold, get $100. Get $20 on a $100 deposit, and also BitTrue, BTCC, and Pionex have similar deposit deals where you get free crypto on deposit. Also, you can do leverage trading with BTCC and BitTrue. You can make a lot of money with leverage trading, but you could also lose money too, so be careful. Kind of, you know, it's a learning curve, so start slow, so start small, and, you know, kind of do some research on it first, right? Anyway, I am not a financial advisor, guys. Nothing I said in this video was financial advice, and I appreciate you all so much. Also, check out santaall.net. We do a $100 giveaway every week, every Friday, and if you go to santaall.net, it'll tell you about how you can earn those entries by supporting my many channels, and increase your odds of getting a big piece of that $100 giveaway. I appreciate you all so much. Thank you so much. Smash the like, subscribe, and share with your friends. And peace out. Till next time.